All right, fam, we got a few tasty deals to jump right into. So like, comment. You know what? I'm not going to ask that of you guys because y'all don't want to hear it and I don't want to say it. So let's just get right into it. If y'all like any of these deals, you know, great. If y'all don't, pass, because aside from the Makita deal I'm going to share, I don't really like any of these in particular. But anyway, over at Tractor Supply, you can get the High Torque for, let's check that cart. I really hate that, by the way, that you have to add items to carts now. It's kind of weird, but where are we at? See price at checkout. Let's check that out. Okay, you can get the High Torque half-inch high impact kit from DeWalt with a 4 amp hour battery for $269. Is it great? No, but is it the cheapest price we've had since last year? Yes. Last year you could get this same kit for $199. Will it return this holiday season? I'm not entirely sure, but if you are in mustard and you need a high impact, it's not terrible. Not terrible. Moving on, right now you can get the Makita X-Lock grinder, the one that nobody bought because nobody was about to pay those ridiculous exorbitant prices for those wheels, down to $80 in some Home Depots. Okay, they are clearancing them out, but not all depots have begun yet, so you'll have to look around. I will leave the BrickSeek link in the description down below. I'm seeing some depots with them at $120, some with them as low as $80. Moving on, over at Acme Tools right now, they have a whole bunch of DeWalt stuff with $100 off. In particular, this kit right here, $299. I like it because it has value, fam. Normally, you can hack these over the holidays down to 99 bucks, but it is rare and those hacks go pretty quick. A good value for the router or the jig, I think, is $150. You combine those and basically you're getting a free rapid charger and a 5. Sorry, I'm in a hurry, guys. So, moving on, still over at Acme, they have a whole bunch of lights for sale. I shared that M12 Rover service and repair floodlight for $49, also over at the depot. That is their new low price, and that is because pre-orders have begun for the underbody light. It comes in both bare tool and the kit. $179 for the bare tool. I suggest rolling with the bare tool because the kit only includes a 4.0, and who's got almost $100 extra? I think that's about $80 extra for what is essentially a 4.0 and a charger. Now, I still think that's too rich for my blood, but some of you Milwaukee dudes, y'all like the best and the newest. So I will leave these links in the description down below as well. I got some more stuff coming for y'all later. Stay tuned. But that's it for now, fam. Have at it. Good luck.